So you want access to the latest GPT-4, but don't want to purchase ChatGPT Plus? Well, you've come to the right place then. Today, I'm about to reveal 3 mind-blowing methods to access GPT-4 for free. Starting with the third one, Merlin. It's a Google Chrome extension, which you can install freely. So whatever you search online, it will side by side give a response from ChatGPT 2. And it also does the job of summarizing a YouTube video with subtitles. And if you want to use GPT-4, just click on Let's Chat, and here, select GPT-4. It's very beneficial for productivity, as you get responses from Google and GPT-4 at the same time. And links to all the apps will be mentioned in the description. Moving on to the second way, Bing AI. So, as you know, Microsoft has invested over $10 billion in OpenAI, and they are now using GPT-4 in their Bing chatbot. Earlier it was running on ChatGPT 3. But now they have officially announced that it is based on the latest GPT-4. To access it, all you need is a Microsoft account. After creating one, just go to Microsoft Edge. And by the way, if you're wondering what is this? So it is a way of earning free money without doing anything. After this video, go and watch this video for more details. Anyways, back to the topic. Click here to access the Bing chatbot. You can also select different modes to get the results. And you can also use this chatbot to generate images too.
Wow!
But make sure that you select creative here in the options. And trust me, it's worth trying. And here comes the third way, and it's Sincode.ai. It's an AI website that offers you tons of AI tools, including an advanced version of DALL-E 2 and a chatbot based on GPT-4. To access it, just click on Marv Chat, and here you can select the GPT version. As you can see, it says it is based on GPT-4. But the difference is, it is not limited to the knowledge of 2021, as it includes the latest Google data. So, these were the 3 methods of accessing GPT-4 without purchasing their premium, because, of course, we don't have enough money. But what if I tell you a secret way of earning money? Confused? Then go watch this amazing video to avail various rewards.